Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas live trading room for Wednesday, February the 26th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. Any questions you may have for me, you can use this email address. This is a link to get into our free room. It's 100% free. You do not have to be a member of Trade Ideas to be in our free trading room. The room is open Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm live on the mic and I share my screen. And in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 15% off, either the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Ideas subscription. Well, one big wow again today. Man, oh man, I got to show you this one, of course. This is from the AI. And I want to show you this as another illustration because we get the question all the time about auto trading the AI and all. And you know, I always talk about how it's man and machine, and the machine, of course, is the AI, gives you the alerts, but I really believe that man, you, woman, should get involved in managing the trade. Look at this one right there. The entry was at 591. Where did it get out? 591. No, because there was the entry, and then as it moved down, it got out. But look what happened afterwards. I mean, just an incredible run. This is a virus stock. But, again, just an illustration that, you let the machine, the AI, alert you. But my suggestion is that you manage the trades yourself. And otherwise, if you just let the machine take you out, you miss this big gain. So anyway, that's my 2 cents on it. My watch list, again, spectacular. Both on the long side. The market was a little bit crazy again today. This is, so the Dow at one point was up about 400 and something. I'm looking right now and it's now only up 72. This started to happen. I mean, this is the SPY chart, but this started to happen. And we're still being snared, of course, by all the virus talk, and it's going to take a while to things settle down. And I don't know when that's going to happen. I mean, nobody knows when that is going to happen. But at this point, all we can do is take advantage of the situation. Nobody wants to see, of course, this thing spread. But these little bios, and it reminds me a lot of you people were trading back in the 90s. A company would come out and say they're doing a website, and by the way, we're a Microsoft partner. Well, Microsoft probably had 10,000 partners in those states, and all a little company had to do was say, yeah, we're on their website or something like that, and boom, their stock would fly. Well, this reminds me a little bit like that because these stocks are just coming out of the woodwork saying, yeah, we're working on a coronavirus vaccine. So anyway. Let's take a look at some of the things that happened. I don't think this TNXP is one of them, but there was the alert at 90 cents, got up to $1.23. The VXRT, I'm still in this one, the VXRT. I actually took this one a couple of times. There was the alert at 131, and I didn't even realize it was a virus stock. I had to somebody had to tell me. Because I'd read a headline and it seemed to be some kind of an oral vaccine, but then buried down later on in the headline, it talked about, and we might adapt it to coronavirus. But anyway, I got into this one originally right about here. And then I sold. I took about a nickel out of it. And then I got back in right here at 144. And look what happened afterwards. Look at the volume that came in. 183 is the next high looking left on the daily. And that's probably what's going to stall it for a while. I'm not saying it's going to get through there. But anyway, I sold some here at 160 and 168. I don't have that much left, but just a really nice trade. The Sono, 1245, got all the way up to 1279, but now it's coming down with the market. This was a tough one, 2628. It is a virus stock. 2628, it got all the way up to 29, almost $3. But it was a real spready one. I mean, I'm not trying to say this would have been an easy one to trade. Those are the ones for on the upside. Let's take a look at the ones on the downside for my watch list. See how well they've done. So Sabre, 1589. Nothing really shaking yet. OIS, these are late trades, okay, so they may still start to develop. 821 down to 8. Tapestry, 24 now. I was actually in this one. Ticked me off a little bit. You'd have to see on a 5-minute chart. It was kind of, I got into this one right underneath that short 2288, but it just was kind of choppy all over the place, and so I took myself out of the trade, and then it really started to work. You know, it's an airline. A lot of the airlines, of course, are being hard hit. OIII 1087 hasn't done anything. XEC energy stock, I believe, 3569 down a little bit. Schlumberger, another energy stock, well, 2922. I guess, you know, I could go on and on. Macy's 1451. I mean, just a great watch list, guys. What can I say? INSM 2591. This is a bio 2552, so nothing great there. This was an earnings play. I think this is just getting destroyed. 344 down to 309. Well, you know what? I think another one, TVTY, 1292 gets down to 1224. You know, if you want, all you have to do is, first of all, you need a subscription, and then just click on new channel bar. Oops, new channel bar, and my window's right there. And you too can participate in the watch list that I create every single day for you. All right, it's part of the standard subscription, and you know, it's laid out all for you. You don't have to you don't have to create the watch list. I do it for you, and then out of the watch list, we get the triggers. You know, we get some stocks. I mean, the watch list, not every stock, I wouldn't want it. Not every stock gets triggered from the watch list. I have some filters in place here. You know, that's why there's only 4 longs. There are more shorts again. Whoops. There are more shorts again. Just a second. No, just a second, please. There we go. There are more shorts just because of what the market's doing and, you know, the market sentiment. But, you know, still manageable number. And look, they don't all come at one time. You can just check the, you know, the times. So if you want to follow along every day, I do it for you. You just have to click on my channel bar, and there they are. So I do want to get back into the room. Very curious to see this VXRT. See if I can take this out. It doesn't seem likely. This is why I'm talking about the 181. Take on the weekly chart. I guess you have to check on a monthly chart. No, the weekly chart. You can see right there. There's the 183 right there. That is, what, 2 weeks ago. But look at the volume that came in that week. I mean, just amazing. So anyway, very, very exciting. Extremely exciting the last 2 days in the room. So that's 3 days, really. All right, I want to bring back my capture program. So if you have any questions for me, here's the email address you can use. The link for our free room. You know what? I mean, just come in the room. You're going to see it's not just me telling you what to buy and sell all day long. We've got some fantastic traders in the room, so you can just follow along. Don't be shy. And I'll open the room tomorrow at 9 o'clock. I hope to see you in the room tomorrow. Bye-bye.